hope this droid is programmed appropriately, young one.
Hey folks, William here, LRB Adventures. Today we have ventured off to Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are going to be watching my nephew Haylon here build his BB-8 unit there. Come along with us. This is his first time at Walt Disney World. We're so excited.
I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onaka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, heir to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly.
So the way this works is you come in, you have a reservation, so you pay for the options that you're going to do. Then you receive a basket and you go down the line and you wait for the conveyor to come through and you pick the droid out that you're looking to build for the color and the breakdown of the characteristics that you're wanting on it. So that's kind of what we're doing here, and just waiting for it to come around. And waiting. And waiting. Never forget, the cast members are right behind us. You can't see them, but they are right in the wings, right behind you to always assist and help with any questions about the process.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Awesome.
Now what else? 1, 2, 3.
I don't remember.
We need the head.
Well, there's quite a few of them. Thank you.
Where is that?
Right here. That would be the perfect size.
That works. Thank you.
Did you want one more black?
No, that's good.
That's good?
Because I'm not waiting like another hour.
Oh dear.
Because you waited like 3 minutes?
All right, then once we're
Thank you so much. Yeah, you're welcome.
Can you take all of your pieces and put that on the table for me, and I take her out that basket?
So, my nephew Haylon is actually, first time at Walt Disney World, we are building a droid. Well, he's building a droid, and my nephew Austin, his father. So, we are pretty stoked about it. I know he is. So, we've already picked out all the parts, and I'm just going to kind of sneak in to see how they're doing.
We have these two colors. We're going to be putting those like this. So we doesn't interfere with it on our side. Okay?
We didn't grab the legs. So
That's the
that's
different
the
droid.
different droid. Okay. So I'm going to undo this for you so you can put him in his shell. Any minute now. Here, put this in there. So heavy. You see that little orange triangle? We're going to find our matching one. With slightly misaligned. Put both hands on top. And spin. Up, hold down, and the other way.
For you, Gray's side is going.
Hold it while you do it. Buddy.
Spin it.
Yeah, just hold it and spin it. Yes, yeah, like that, like that. A little bit more, a little bit more. There you go.
Alright, you're going to put it on your face. You're going to line up your eyes where you keep $3.
So we're going to line these two up,
They're not going to close
hold
all
that
the way.
down, and you're going to screw in those two holes.
said line what up?
So this has to be lined up with these three circles, this eyeball.
Okay.
This one.
Sorry.
No, you're okay.
Lined up like that?
Yeah, just like that. And then, awesome, and you're gonna hold down nice and tight, Dad. Yeah, just like that. And then he's gonna screw in those two holes.
Screw in?
These two. Hold it, you gotta hold it nice and strong, buddy.
And screw it.
Push down while you do it.
Push down hard.
Okay, there we go. Now try the other side. This side?
Yep.
Good job.
Push the button, son.
Push the button.
Let me see. Because sometimes only one side will screw in all the way. We're going to hold this. Is that real quick, buddy? He's acting a little silly, and I don't know why. There we go.
Nice.
Sometimes he doesn't like to fully sit down all the way. You know what? I'm going to get you a different this piece because I don't like this one.
Okay.
Okay, and now this side. Yeah, awesome. Okay. So you're gonna go ahead, push this one down, and push this one down. So you, actually the other way around. Until you feel click. There you go. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna let the ball rest. His head will always go right on top. We're going to place the head down. Sometimes it will start off loose like this. That means that this magnet is in place, so you want to lightly spin the outer edge so the others click in. Can you start over for that, buddy? This like that. Do you like him?
You can open it from the bottom.
Yeah? Okay, I'm going to activate him.
There we go.
Activating. Hit that big red button for me, man. Yeah.
You done woke up the evil.
Yes, he did.
Either half of this will make him spin. So will these two. These two make him a big noise, forward and backward. Okay, real quick, we're going to give him some personality. So we're going to take his head off, and we're going to undo that shell together. So put both hands on top, and spin. Other way, other way. There you go. We're going to lift that up. You're going to flick this switch toward you to turn him off. You're going to push the ship down right there. There. Yep. Okay. Turn it back on again. You're gonna help me put that shell back together. So you see the triangles? Yeah. Both hands on top. There we go. Head. And spin.
Other way.
Awesome. Test it out. Okay, I'm going to give him a set of blueprints. They're going to tell you how many batteries he takes and where they're kept. It's also going to tell you if he enters sleep mode. So he's going to interact with the things he passes in Batu, as well as any other droids. And if he goes 5 minutes of no interaction, he will go to sleep, turn him off, turn him back on, wake him back up. So essentially, if his remote isn't working, turn him off, turn it back on, you'll probably fix it. Do you guys want a box?
I think we got a bag.
Got a bag? The bag. Okay. Now, would you like me to leave him on so you can watch him interact and turn him off when you're at home?
That's your own choice.
Keep it on.
Okay.
On? Okay. I'm going to turn his remote off to make sure he doesn't try to leave his bag. Now you are going to feel some movement in the bag. His head will turn and he'll make noise. Go ahead and hold this up to me again. To put UVB in, you're just going to press down as strong as you can until you don't feel him move anymore. We're going to put his remote instructions right in that back pocket. Now we do have a Droid Depot app where you can name him, play games with him, that kind of thing. As well as a Droid playpad where you can test him out. That'll be right outside the store.
Oh, excellent. Thank you so much.
No problem. And we're going to clip his head in to make sure it doesn't fall out. Awesome. And just like that, I'll give you this in case he ever wants to take it out. You guys are going to be good to go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you so
guys
much.
are lovely.
Say thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
That is heavy.
Look at you. Hey, that sure is a nice looking droid you got there.
Feel the good in you. The conflict.
There is no conflict.
Join me.
Join me.
Tom.
All right.
Wow. Look at you. Sweet.
I think.
Oh, you got a kiss. Look at that.
Bye, Benny. Thank you.
Thanks, Minnie.